I bought a fake Oraimo earbud. Yes, I bought a fake Oraimo earbud. Now, let me bring it out. This is it. This is how it looks like. I'm that kind of person that I'm not used to earbud or what is it called, AirPods. Yes, I am not used to that. In fact, I've never used earpods in my life. All what I've been used for, or what I've been using is earpiece, the wired connection or connected one. This is what I've been using. I've never tried using earpod. So I become more curious and I feel, okay, let me try it and test something new. Since I don't know anything about earbuds and I can't really differentiate between what is original and fake, so I went to this local shop, or let me say local store, to get an earpod. Yes, so I actually have a budget. Yes, after I actually have a budget of the price I want. If it's above, I won't go for it, because at the moment purchasing this, it was, I don't want to go beyond budget. Yes, actually. So maybe at the end of the video, I may tell you guys how much I was able to purchase it in naira, not in dollar, in naira. So when I went to this store, I said, okay, I need earpod, and this was presented to me. Me that don't know about earpods, I don't know which one is real, I cannot even differentiate. It was after when I purchased, paid, and then returned home. Yeah, so after I returned home, I have to open it. Yes, as you can see, it's the package is already opened, but I just have to fix back everything inside to still open it and show you the content, what is inside. So when I open it, I was like trying to see how can I make use of this. I don't really know how to connect it, you understand? So I have to make some search, and when in my research, and I discovered that this is fake. Yes, because I noticed that in the original Oraimo earbuds, this warranty, it's usually I think it's 360 days or so. Yes, but this one is having 180 days, and according to my research, this is fake. This is not, in fact, this is just a kind of makeup. I am calling on Oraimo to do something about it. I don't know if Oraimo has done something about this, allowing these people to be making all these kind of fake things, using their brand, using your brand as a backup. I don't know if your consent has been taken or this is illegal. Sincerely, we know Oraimo as a brand that make good products, but I don't know why these people. Okay, now let me open it while I'm still speaking. I don't know why Oraimo will allow such other brands to do this. If these brands want to really stand out, they should do what is good, produce good materials or good product that people will like. Okay, so you can see this indicator shows that it's on, it's functioning. You see Oraimo, and look at this word. This is fake. This is not real. Please guys, let's take caution of this. Sincerely, I don't know. I'm very ignorant of it. I don't know about it. In fact, when I get to know that, I was just angry. I regret buying it. I was like, I said I will dash this out. Or give it to someone. So what I tried to see if I can able to connect it to two devices, and when in my these are the content. Yes, this is everything that's inside. No, nothing else. It doesn't have the extra. What is this called? I don't think I really know the name. It doesn't have extra. This is the content, everything in it. So I tried to see if I can able to connect these to two devices. I connected with my my device, my phone, and it connected. The audio quality, it's okay. It's not bad. And when I was receiving an incoming call, I noticed that it stopped, like disconnected. I don't know. I'm still learning how to use it. You guys can also help me. Drop in your comments. How is this? How can I use this? I noticed there's no button, and I discovered that it has a sensor. Yes, I don't know if it has a sensor here. Yes, this is the sensor. It has a sensor. So this is where we're able to connect with, you hold and press is going to turn on, and then when you tap twice it's going to pause, you type it's going to play. That is just what I discovered. And one thing that I don't also like with this is that anytime I mistakenly touch this part or any area here, it will bring out this pop-up on my device, like taking me direct to Google search, this Google voice search. Like I didn't request for it. I don't know why it's bringing that. Sincerely, I don't like this. Is really fake. So let's take caution of this. Actually, I bought this at the rate of 5,000 naira. Yes, 5,000 naira. I bought this at the local store. This is my first time using earbud or AirPods. Yes, this is my first time. I don't really know how to make use of it. I'm still learning it, and hopefully to get better one. Yes, so I don't really like this. So let's take caution. Anytime you want to buy, please observe something like this is really fake. Really fake. It has Oraimo on it, but in fact, this is not Oraimo original product. So I just pray that Oraimo will do something about it. If they have done, okay, I don't know about it, but I'm calling on Oraimo brand to do something about this. This is very bad. And also because I'm also ignorant, I can't really differentiate, but now I've learned something. So this is just my impression, and to just let you guys know there are fake products in the market. Let's take caution and be careful. So stay tuned, and then see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.